Hey everyone, I've just washed my car and I want to give you a quick tip on how to get the window wipers up when you wash your car. Because of the way the hood goes over the top, if you try and pull these directly up, it's going to hit on this edge. And you can't force this up either. So you have to go into the infotainment system to actually enable the setting to bring your wipers up. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So don't force them up. Instead, all you need to do is get into your car. Start the car as you normally do, and you want to go to your settings, and you go to your vehicle health, and then overhaul, and you click this wiper in service position. So when you click on that, it might say this, turn off wiper washing before maintenance, which just means you have automatic wipers on. So you need to bring that down into the neutral position, so it's just off, and it should say on the screen here what setting you're on. So if I bring it down one, it's going to say wiper off. Now I should be able to do this, so I can go wiper in service position, and as you can see, it's moved them up and out of the way. So now you can actually wash your car with the wipers out of the way and get right down to the bottom here. Then once you're finished, all you need to do again is just go back into, if you haven't got the car on, turn it back on, go into the vehicle health, overhaul, and then just tap on this. So like I said, if it doesn't do the wiper on, it's because you have it in automatic wipers, and you'll get that message. So turn automatic wipers off first, and then you'll be able to do it. So just a quick tip for you in case you're wondering how to wash your car. Definitely do not force those wipers up. You don't want to break the motors in them. You have to go through the infotainment system to do it. All right, thank you. Until next time, catch you around.